How to fix YouTube not working on Wi-Fi. Let's start with airplane mode. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Now tap on the airplane icon, wait for 10 seconds, and then turn off. Next, reconnect to the Wi-Fi. Now, open the app and check whether it is working or not. If it is not working, then try reconnecting to Wi-Fi. First, open the Settings app on your device. Now tap on Wi-Fi, and then click on the information icon beside the connected network. Here at the top, click on Forget this network. Then, again click on Forgot to confirm. Next, reconnect to the Wi-Fi by entering the password. Now check whether the app is working or not. If it is not working, then try. Check different Wi-Fi. For this, open the Settings app on your device. Now, tap on Wi-Fi and then connect to the different Wi-Fi network. Next, check whether the app is working or not. If it is working, then the problem is with your Wi-Fi. To check this, follow the next step. Check Wi-Fi internet connection. For this, open any social media app. Here I am opening Instagram. Now try to play the reels or videos. If they are not playing, then the problem is with your internet connection. Try contacting your service provider to fix the issue. If the reels are loading, then the issue might be with your YouTube app. To fix this, try Update YouTube. For this, go to the App Store on your iPhone. At the bottom, click on the search bar and search for the YouTube app, then tap on the app from the results. If you have an update available, then update the app. Make sure you have installed the latest version of the app. Now open the app and check whether the app is loading or not. If it is not working, then it might be the server issue. To check, follow the next. Check YouTube server. First, open the Safari browser on your iPhone. Now at the bottom, click on the search bar and type YouTube to search. Next, check whether it is loading or not. If it's not loading, it might be an issue with their servers. Check YouTube official social media pages to know the updates about the issue, and that's it.